Hello everyone, welcome to Uni Voice. This is Vedika Manik and today we'll be discussing question numbers 31 to 36 relating to reading comprehension from the IPMAT 2020 original paper. So let's get started. This was the reading comprehension that was given in the paper, and compared to the previous years it is um, average in length, like it was not too long and it was not too short also. And y'all can pause and read it. I'll move on to the first question. John Muir, Planet, Universe. Muir wrote this in his notebook because. So this is there in the very first line. And the options are: he did not have a permanent address. He wanted to be a traveler all his life. His love for botany went beyond borders. He wanted to live in the open all his life. So he did not have a permanent address is not very relevant, so we will cancel that out. Option B also. He wanted to be a traveler all his life. There is no specific mention of this, which is why we can cancel out option B also. Option C, on the other hand, his love for botany went beyond borders. This makes sense because he has written universe, Earth, planet, universe. And he wanted to live in the open all his life. This is also not mentioned anywhere. So the correct answer would be C. Moving on to which of these did John Muir have no great difficulty in doing? This is a direct answer is finding food among the farmers because in one of the paragraphs, the one starting with oftentimes, it's given in the second line, but usually I had no great difficulty in finding a loaf of bread in the widely scattered clearings of the farmers. So it's a direct question answer, and it should you should get marks over here definitely. How did the experience with nature affect John Muir? He felt spiritually fulfilled. He became a better botanist. He felt successful after collecting rare plants. He enjoyed the breeze in the glorious forest. So B and C is not mentioned anywhere specifically. Option D, he enjoyed the breeze in the glorious forest. Now, more than this, the most relevant one would be option A, and it is given in one of the lines that, wandering in the wild, free as the winds in forests and bogs, gathering plants and feeding on God's abounding, inexhaustible spiritual beauty bread. So he found it very spiritual and he felt spiritually fulfilled. Now, moving on to question 4. According to the passage, in what way was Muir affected by his injury? So his injured eye healed well very slowly. This is correct. I mean, it didn't heal well, but there was a change in his eyesight. He could not open his left eye during his exploration. His eyesight was affected, but he was able to carry on, and he took a long time to consult maps and study them. So the correct answer here would be D, because in the reading comprehension, there is a specific line. If we can just have a look at that. So if you look at this specific line in the fourth paragraph, the one that is starting with had it not been, it's given that, but alas, I am half blind. My right eye trained to minute analysis is lost, and I have scarce heart to open the other. And previously, he used to consult maps. And then he said, "Okay, but alas, I'm half blind now." So, which means that he took time to consult maps and study them, and this is how he was affected by his injury. Fifth question: when Muir said that he botanized, he meant that he was definitely studying plants. He made notes on them. He studied plants in the natural habitat during his exploration, studied plants and classified them. So now the meaning of botanized is studied plants in the natural habitat. So answer is B. If in such a case you are confused and you don't know the exact meaning of the word, just try and fit it into context. And there is nowhere written that he made notes on it during his exploration is a very vague terminology, and there is no mention of classification also in the next sentence. So B would be the correct answer. Question number 6: which of these sentences is not true? So again, this is a direct question. A, C, and D have not been mentioned anywhere. Correct answer is B. There was a cloud over the landscape he traveled. In the last few lines, it's it's given that my poor eye is not better nor worse. A cloud is over it, but in gazing over the widest landscape, I am not always sensible of its presence. So, the very last line, this is given just to confuse you. Like, it's not, there was no cloud over the landscape he traveled. He just saw it because of his eyesight, which is why option B would be the incorrect one. So now we've come to the end of reading comprehension. I hope you enjoyed this session. And please keep practicing reading comprehensions. I would suggest try and practice cat level comprehensions so that you find such comprehensions very easy and you can easily breeze through them. And do well in your exam. And all the best. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.